What's up, YouTube? Petrie back again with Petrie's Collectibles. We got the winner of the giveaway today to announce. I got names inside of this tin. I'm going to be drawing one of those for the giveaway of the Lightning Storm Ultra Rare card from the King's Court set. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. And the winner of the giveaway is Elijah's Playhouse.
Ooh.
Elijah's Playhouse, guys. Congratulations to the winner of this giveaway. Good luck in the next video. There will be another giveaway. See you later, guys.